In the heart of downtown Lancaster, 20 Bridge Street brings home, workspace, and opportunity together in one remarkably versatile property. Set on 0.41 acres, this 1930 home welcomes you with a covered porch and a warm interior filled with original natural woodwork. The bright living room flows into a generous dining area, where broad openings and rich trim preserve the character of the home. Just beyond, the practical kitchen offers ample cabinetry and direct access to a dedicated laundry and utility room. 4 bedrooms provide room for family, guests, or flexible office space. The main level includes a bedroom and full bath, while the upper floor adds 3 more bedrooms and a convenient half bath. Each room offers useful proportions, keeping options open for hobbies, study, guest space, or storage. Outside, a covered rear porch creates a comfortable place to unwind. The oversized commercial garage is currently arranged for auto restoration and bodywork, with substantial open workspace and an additional garage bay for vehicles, equipment, or storage. With public water and sewer, high-speed internet availability, and downtown amenities within walking distance, this is a rare live work opportunity in Lancaster.